Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Azure Storage Explorer for Blob uploads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer download page. Locate the download button on the page. Click the button to begin downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run it. If prompted by a security warning, click Run or Yes to proceed. The installation wizard will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. You will be asked to accept the license agreement. Read the terms, then select the checkbox to agree. Click Next to continue with the installation. Choose the installation location or keep the default settings. Click Install to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you may see an option to launch Azure Storage Explorer. Make sure this option is checked and click Finish. Azure Storage Explorer will now open for the first. You will see a welcome screen guiding you through initial setup. To connect to your Azure account, click on Sign In. Enter your Azure account credentials and follow the prompts. After signing in, you can access your Azure storage resources. To upload blobs, navigate to the container where you want to upload. Click on the Upload button in the toolbar. Select the files you wish to upload from your computer. Click Open to start the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you will see your files in the container. You have successfully installed Azure Storage Explorer and uploaded blobs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.